everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita right here in my kitchen. Today I would like to share my beef with vegetable soup. So come on, cook with Tita. First and foremost, I have meat over here, beef. It's already been washed, about roughly 2 to 3 pounds. And then I have bone. I like to put bone to have more beefy flavor on my soup. So, anywho, first and foremost, we're gonna cut our meat because I would like to take out the impurity. You know, those bubble, the brown bubble. I'm gonna take it out from my meat. So, to do that, I have here a pot where I'm going to put my meat. When I cut my meat, I don't cut my meat small. Okay? And the bone, put it in there. And then we have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt to, put that in there. Okay? So now we're going to put water to cover our meat. Before we go on with the rest of our ingredients, let's put this over there because this will take at least 30 minutes or until the impurity comes out. Okay, now our meat is starting to boil. We started it over there. Along with this meat, I have 2 banana. This is plantain. We're going to cut this off like so. Okay, 3 pieces on each banana. And then we're going to take the peel out, of course. You don't want to put that peel in there, okay? Now, we have 3 potatoes, like I told you. I won't tell you how much potato or how much vegetable, you're going to put on your soup. Because I don't know how many people you have in your house. But me, on the other hand, I have the whole battalion, okay? So I have 3 potatoes. I have small heads of cabbage. I have corn. I have green beans, onion. I have some choy. They call this choy. This is Chinese green, okay? I have 1 bunch. I specifically have to go and buy this thing at Oriental store. Okay, guys? And then I have celery. Like I said, I don't know how much celery you need or how much vegetable you need, but I do have that. And some carrots. I'm gonna chop this, of course, in a big chunk. Okay, like so. This, I would go like this. Alright? Just like so. Like so. You know what I mean? So that's that. Anywho, we need 1 teaspoon of dill. I would put beef bouillon into your broth, and I'm gonna show you the broth that I'm using. It was in the previous video that we did. Okay, it's already there. So if you want to know how to make that broth that I'm going to use, you can go ahead and watch the video. So 1 tablespoon to start with or to taste, okay? Beef bouillon. And then ginger. If you want, like 1 inch of fresh ginger, cut him up or grind it, whatever. But this is powder ginger. I would put 1 tablespoon, okay? And then we need fish sauce. Or if you don't like fish sauce, you can use salt to taste. So, everything that is salty, put it there to taste in your desire, okay? So, anyhow, I'm gonna show you how to put them together after I chop up my vegetable. Okay, guys, my meat, it's done. 30 minutes. And our broth that we made previously, okay? See those impurity, what I called impurity? I think those are the blood inside the meat. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to fish this out. We're gonna tenderize this with our broth in here. Be careful, it's hot. Okay? And it's slippery sucker. So we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna turn on this medium high, fish all the meat in there, and throw this thing away. When I'm saying tenderize, I'm not saying about the meat would be pulling apart. I'm not talking about that. What I'm saying is when I say tenderize, it's pork tender. When it's pork tender, put your hard vegetable, which I'm going to show you when it's time for me to put my vegetable in there. Anyway, that's all zero. Put the lid. Don't shut it all the way because you know you might be doing something, okay, and you forget all about this, and then it might overflow into your stove and you gotta miss to clean up. So I always do this, okay? So sit up about 30 minutes or so, and then come and poke your meat with fork and see if it's tender. Don't overcook your meat that it's gonna fall apart. You understand what I'm saying? Anyhow, I'm gonna show you how to put all your ingredients in there when the meat is tender. Pork tender, that is. Okay? Alright guys, when your meat it's pork tender, you are going to put your vegetable, starting with your hard vegetable. When I say hard vegetable, you know, of course, your carrots. You put them in there, be careful. Don't let that splatter on your face. Also, when I cut my vegetable, I would like to cut them the same size as possible because you don't want the vegetable, some overcooked and some not cooked. Now your corn doesn't take a long time to cook. So as the banana, the longest 5 minutes for them to cook. So you don't want that to be overcooked, okay? So put that aside. Let's put our onion in there. We cut him like so, okay? Be careful, it might splatter on you. We're going to put our beans and your delicate, what I'm trying to say, your vegetable that is not hard to cook, you know, let your hard vegetable cook first, but not overcook, okay? So let it percolate for a couple minutes, like three or 4 minutes, or until it's half cooked, all right? Half cooked. And then let's put our 1 tablespoon of ginger, like I told you. We'll start with 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon, like I told you, 1 tablespoon or to taste, and our dill, 1 teaspoon. Okay, that's 1 teaspoon. Okay, and then Philippine, it's patis. Fish sauce, that is. I'm not sponsored with this any of my ingredients. I'm just showing you how it looks, okay? Anywho, I would start, it depends how much broth you have, but I would start with 2 tablespoons to taste, okay? Don't forget that. So, with that, let it go back to a boil, and then we're going to put the rest of our ingredients. So, as you can see, it's already starting to boil back, all right? So, you know, 3 minutes or so, put your corn in there, and your banana, yummy banana, and put all the yummy in there. So, and now we are going to wait. I am going to cover this for a couple minutes. When I say couple minutes, don't go away and forget all about your cooking. Maybe 2 to 3 minutes, okay? And then uncover it, and then check if your potatoes and so on and so forth, whatever you put in there that is hard, see if it's already cooked, right? Or half cooked, that is. half cooked. And then, when that happened, put your cabbage first, because this is more hard than your leafy green, okay? You don't want to overcook your leafy green. This would be about 2 minutes, and that's it. My way of cooking my vegetable, I don't overcook my vegetable. So I would cook those things probably 3 minutes, you know, like that, and then my cabbage, and then my leafy green. And then before you finish cooking, of course you're gonna taste your broth, see if you need salt, so on and so forth, or whatever you want to put in there to flavor your broth. But for me, I would use fish sauce. Now if you don't like fish sauce, like I told you, use more beef bouillon or salt or so on and so forth, okay? Anyway, I will see you when this get done, okay? See you then. Alright guys, as you can tell, I didn't get to put all of my leafy green in there. It's kind of almost overflowing, but I can put more later on when we start whittling this down. So anywho, this is done. Let's try our broth. Let's shut off the heat. Don't want to overcook our vegetable. And let's try. Yum! Let me tell you, the fish sauce really marries the broth really nicely. That's the reason why I like to put fish sauce with my soup, because the flavor really marries it together, okay? Anywho, let's go ahead and scoop up some, and let's try our thing, okay? Wow. Oh, yum. Okay, I want some that. Oh, green. I want some green. Oh my goodness, I want some green. Let's have some broth. Wow, guys, if you can smell the smell, so delightful. That looks so good, guys. So good. Carrots, banana, and the potato, the meat, the corn. Oh my goodness, everything is hunky-dory. I'm drooling. Smells so good. Oh, yum. You can eat this with anything. Rice, noodles, bread, naan bread, whatever you want. Maybe rice. But this is enough for me. Let me see. Oh my goodness, guys. So delicious. So nutritious. So there you go, guys. Another healthy recipe for you all. I hope you like my recipe, guys. Try it. Enjoy. As I always say, bon appetit. Bye.